If you spend any time gardening, eventually you're going to hear about the magic of worm castings. And in this video, we're going to talk about what they are, what they do, and if they're worth it. On a simple level, worm castings are just worm manure. They take in organic matter, they process it or digest it, and then they poop it out. It's finer, more stable, and is biologically active. It almost looks like really rich soil. It's related to compost, but it's not quite the same thing. Compost is organic material that has been broken down by bacteria and fungi. Worm castings go one step further in that the worms eat this decaying material, they process it, add their own microbiology to it. Think of it as refined compost. Oftentimes worm castings will be portrayed as this great fertilizer, but in terms of NPK, the values are very low. In the case of this product, it's 100. Not much at all. But the bigger benefit is that they support soil biology, and that in turn helps the plants derive more nutrition from the soil. So instead of feeding the plants directly, they help the plants take up what's already there. And in practice, you don't need much. A half a handful in a planting hole is plenty. What you're doing is you're adding living organisms to the soil, and those living organisms will spread. So a little goes a long way. Intuitively, they would make sense in containers because for those you're building soil. But the reality is the biggest limiters on the soil in a container is hydration and nutrient leaching, and worm castings don't do anything in that regard. I do have a video on container soil, so check the link for that. And in garden beds, if you're already adding organic material, worm castings are probably not required. Another claim you'll see is that they help reduce the numbers of aphids and spider mites. To be clear, and healthier plants are more resilient to garden pests. Another thing to consider is cost. This little bag is about $10. A 40-pound bag is about $40, which is almost twice the cost of a premium compost. So you're paying a lot for something that you only need a small amount of. So to summarize, worm castings are often talked about as if they're some sort of magic. They're not. They're just another tool in the gardener's toolbox. So are they worth it? Well, they can be beneficial. They're not essential. Let's take a quick look at my garden in August. To be honest, I've never used worm castings ever in my garden. But if you do want to use them, they won't harm anything. So if you really want to improve your soil, focus on adding organic material consistently, and this will help your soil biology a lot more than putting down a bunch of worm castings. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, and I'll be back with more.